Hi, Dave from Buzzy here. When you publish a file from Figma using the Buzzy plugin, you'll notice that in the generated app, we've got this little intercom widget, which is just a little chat interface that lets you get in touch with us, give us feedback, ask questions, and so on. Now, you obviously may want to get rid of that, or even better, you may want to use your own intercom ID and parameters to turn that into a chat widget you can use to communicate with your customers. So if we jump back to Figma to see where this app was generated, you've got the preview URL. Next to that, or underneath that, is a link to the app's backend URL. So this will show us the Buzzy backend to the app that we generated. Get rid of that. Here we go. This is it there. Now it's where the submits from the sign up form will appear. It also has a bunch of settings that you can configure, including, if you go to the settings, Google Analytics if you need, plus Intercom integration. Now you can turn this on, add your own Intercom ID, and that will swap that widget for one that corresponds with whatever you set up in Intercom. And you'll have your own chat widget on your generated app. If you want to turn that off, just click off. And if you jump back to the app, hit refresh. And there it is, it's gone. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.